Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm your boy AJ, professional on-course racing driver, and this is FLATOUT Media. If that's all good, let's jump into the video. Today we get down to the big question. Is it gonna be this or this? Yes guys, you heard me right. Today we're gonna be taking a small challenge between the joystick and the G29 Logitech steering wheel that I always use in this channel. So yes, let's see which one wins, let's see which one's more performing, and let's see which one's faster when it comes to driving cars through games. So yes guys, this is gonna be the first round of Finland. So out of the two rounds that we're gonna be doing, I think we should take an easier round at first, because it's been like months since I've ever even driven using a joystick. So yes, I think we'll go the first round through Finland. Finland's kind of one of those cities I've driven like a million times. So first time, we're not going to be using the joystick. Now we're going to be using the steering. So yes, let's go. The car is set up pretty tight, so I think it should be good to drive fast. But this is something we're going to be doing all the time. So yeah, let's go. And go.
Opens. 80. Left 6, keep in. Keep right.
It's up nice and wet.
Okay, left 3 long onto gravel.
Structure.
Crest, mid, jump, flat. Right 4. 150, keep left into long right 3, tightens. Into left 4, keep in. Right 4, 100.
Well, the main reason that I chose this stage to actually test both the steering and the joystick is because this is one of the stages that I love and I've driven like a million times. So yeah, that way we'll know exactly how easy this land or shit okay. I should concentrate on this. Yep. And one other reason why I chose Finland to drive is because just in case when I'm driving using the joystick, if I make any mistakes, it's going to be fascinating because obviously there's going to be a lot of trees on the side. If I crash, it's going to be magnificent. So yeah, let's see.
Right 6 into joystick. Crest, mid, flat. 60, left 6. 80.
Yes, my fastest grip through the stage.
Left 6, don't cut. Right 6, jump, flat. 80. Left 5 plus over crest. 50, care. Left 2, tightens. 80. Right 4 over crest. Into crest, long, flat. 60. Left 4, keep in.
I can already feel how hard it's going to be to drive these stages using the joystick.
Right 3, left 5 opens. Right 6 over crest, mid, flat. Right 6, 100. Over finish.
And yes, that's the first 2 minutes 35 seconds. Not a bad time. Not a very bad time because like we made a few mistakes, but still it was a pretty good run. So yes. So now let's use the joystick and let's see how well I can drive using the joystick. So yes guys, this time we're going to be driving the same first round of Finland using a joystick. So yes, let's see how that goes. I have to be really honest with you, it's been like months, like at least 6 months since I've touched the joystick. Ever since I got the wheel, I've always been on the wheel. So yes, this is gonna be a really hard one since like all the assists have been turned off. It's gonna be really hard, but yes, the setup of the car has been adjusted. I've kept the differential as loose as I can keep it, so I don't oversteer a lot. So yes, let's get into it and see where it goes. Rev it up and go. 2, 3, 4. God, this thing steers so lot. Brake turn. Go for steer. Brake turn, turn, baby.
Jump flat. Right 4. 150. Keep left into
If I ever had the chance to drive a car using the joystick, I am not taking it.
Into left 4. Keep in. Right 4. 100.
I can't believe that I'm actually brushing the accelerator through these places. I go flat out through these places, man.
Over crest. Keep in. 60. Right 4.
Now we know why driving the car using the joystick was like a big mistake. I'm just praying that I don't crash.
100. Keep left.
Turn, yep.
Right 4.
Stay on the road, stay on the road.
Right 6.
Okay.
60. Jump crest.
This is way more hard than I even imagined.
Right 4. Very long. Keep in. Tightens late over crest.
Okay, no issue, stay on the road. This is hard, man.
Right 3 opens into right 3. Into left 3. 100.
Definitely I can
Right over crest.
left foot brake through these things, so yes, it is making me turn really hard. Okay. Full throttle turning is definitely not happening.
Right 6 in house. Crest mid flat. 60
And
left
we
6.
have our jump.
80. Right 6 plus. Keep in. Left 6
Finally,
don't cut.
right
Right
up
6.
to some
Jump
stages.
flat. 80. Left 5 plus over crest. 15 care. Left 2
Okay,
tightens.
okay, no, not the curves, not the curves, not the curves. Oh shit, come on. You don't do that.
80. Right 4 over
Okay.
crest. Into
I was
crest.
really happy that I was going that fast through the stage, but yes,
Left 4.
not a very good idea, I guess. Mind the curves on the side.
60. Right 4 long over crest. Mid.
Actually, I use the curves on the side to turn hard when I'm using the steering wheel, but no, that's not happening when I'm using the joystick. I see.
Right 3.
This is super hard, mate. Drift. I can't even play single drift using this thing.
Right 6. 100.
I can hardly even turn this thing. We are 7th. That is horrible. 2 minutes 53 seconds. That's like literally I ran the same stage through 2 minutes 35 seconds using the steering. This is the worst. This is literally the worst. I can't see this happening. At least I'm happy that I didn't crash. So yes, let's get into the next stage with the steering. Now let's see how that goes. But seriously, I'm not happy about what's happening right now. This is the worst nightmare I'm having. Yes, guys, this is the third round of Finland. We are skipping the second round because it's pretty slow, and yeah, it's not really interesting. This is actually a night race, so that's gonna keep things more interesting when we play it on the joystick also. So yes, let's get into it. This stage is really long and it's through the dark, so it's gonna be really amazing. So let's see how I can do through all this one. Yep, so rev it up a little bit and go. 2,
Left 4 into right 6 over Marrow Bridge.
4,
100.
5.
Left 6, keep in. 80. Left 6, keep in. Keep right. Care left 3 long onto gravel.
Almost slip there.
Crest mid jump flat.
Too wide.
Right 4. 150, keep left into long right 3, tightens.
Ready.
Into left 4, keep in. Right 4, 100.
Okay.
Crest
Definitely
jump
going
flat.
slower than I'm on the pace. Yes. Let's pick it up a little bit.
Over crest, keep in. 60, right 4 into right 3, 40, left 3, opens. 100, keep left.
hardest part is driving using the joystick is going to be actuating the accelerator and the brakes. When it's with the steering and the pedals, I get to actuate them however I want them to, but when it's the joystick, it's like binary. You don't get to do a lot of things there. It's either 0 or 1, and there's no in between. There's area where I can keep the accelerator. Maybe with practice, yes, but I don't think so.
Left 4 into right 6. 80, left 5, gear over tight narrow bridge. Into right 1. Left 4 into right 4, keep in, opens. Right 4, tightens into right 3.
Okay. Shit.
Gear, right 3, over narrow bridge.
Right there.
Into left 5, big cut. Right 5 plus into crest. Right 5 into gear, left 4, tightens into turn left 2.
One of the story narrow drive rally seekers.
100. Crest mid flat. Right 5 into left 6.
Fly around your driving shoes, not your sneakers that have like a 2-inch heel in them. So yes, first, even though we went sideways and hit the curb, but still yes. For first 2 minutes 36 seconds. So yes, once again, let's get into the joystick and let's see how hard this guy is gonna be when it comes to driving using the joystick. So yes, guys, this is the third round of Finland. So once again, we're gonna be driving using the joystick. But yeah, like I said, not a very good experience the first time we used the joystick. So yes, once again, we're gonna be trying this. So let's see how that goes. The setup is pretty loose so that we don't oversteer a lot. But yeah, once again, I'm praying that I don't crash into anything and please finish this properly because this is a fast state. And go. 2, 3, 4, 5. I really hate the steering distance, man. These are like too sharp for a car. I'm making really small distance, but still, this is. No. Okay, we punctured the wheel, so that's not good. No. I think we have to start once again. Yeah, we're starting once again. Guys. And go. 2, 3, 4. Can't do all the tricks that you have using this joystick. The steering you can literally be right. You can brake using the left leg, accelerate on the right, turn using your hands, but nope, this is not happening yet. See, I'm literally rushing the accelerator. That's not how it's going to do. Alright, turn baby. Turn. Yes, stay on road. Stay on course.
60, right 4 into right 3, 40, left 3, opens. 100, keep left. Right 4, left 4, right 6. 60, jump crest mid, 60, left 4.
The car is literally on the edge of slipping and going and hitting something out of it. And I'm trying my best to help it not do that. Till now, we're doing pretty good, I guess, yeah. But the hardest parts only come a little bit later. So that's when we're going to be suffering. Brake on the straights, don't brake on the turns, brake hard, turn, yep, go, don't go oversteer.
Left 4 into right 6, 80, left 5.
No, yeah, let's go.
Gear, crash up ahead.
Don't.
Left 4 and 2.
Even a handbrake turn is hard on this man.
Keep in, opens. Right 4 tightens into right 3. Left 6 keep in.
Stay on course. This is really hard.
Left 5 big cut. Right 5
This is harder than I imagined it. Okay. Stay on the road, stay on the road. It's not going fast and too slow. Stay on the road.
4 tightens into turn left 2.
Yep.
100.
No. Come on, turn.
Mid flat.
That's not how we're supposed to be doing a handbrake turn. Be worst.
Into right 4. Narrow over finish.
No, this is the worst place for you to crash, man. Come on. It was the end of the race. So yes, guys, once again, this is the third round of Finland. Yeah, we busted it the last time and I crashed I think 1 minute before the finish line. Yes, that's the worst thing that can ever happen. So yes, once again, we'll be going through Finland, the third stage, and this time at least I want to finish. So yes, let's pray about that and let's get going. Rev it up a little bit and go. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's put on our serious faces and let's get this done. Nope. Stay on road.
Keep right.
Definitely have my slammer.
Left home onto gravel.
Twist the brakes hard.
Crest mid jump flat. Right 4.
Hard on the base
150
turn.
keep left into long right 3 tightens.
Hard turn as always.
Into left 4 keep in. Right 4 100. Crest jump flat. Left 4 very long.
With this joystick, you really got to really binary, man. It's hard to modulate the asteroid or the brake. It's like all or nothing. Can't stay somewhere in between. It's really hard to do that.
100 keep left.
This is the worst
Right 4.
driving I've ever done.
Right 6.
All of a sudden, this
60.
joystick steals all my driving skills and makes me feel like I am the worst driver in the world, and I am not letting that happen. So yes, let's go. Come on, car, we gotta prove that we're better than this. Don't oversteer for God's sake. Come on. Yeah, don't. I'm not letting you do that. Nope. I almost feel like I'm just trying to keep the car on the road and I'm not actually racing this race anymore. That's how hard this is. Damn. It's not the curbs. Okay. Not the curbs. Go. Yes, right with the curbs. I am sweating. No, come on. No. We are not riding another car, Lapis car. Come on. Yep. Let's turn. Pretty sure all my subscribers are going to unsubscribe after they see me driving like this. I feel like a maniac and I punctured one of my tires. Yep. This is the worst that can happen today. I punctured one of my tires. I can literally feel it. Yeah, it doesn't show on the indicator right now, but still yes. Left, right. Yeah. Left front tire, it's punctured. Yep. Let's not go too hard on the tires. And keep the control as much as we can. Don't crash. Let's not crash. Okay. It is really hard to turn. No. Okay, at least we finished. Yep, we punctured both the tires. And that's what we did, guys. 3 minutes, that's what we ran. Is one of the worst drives I've ever had. Honestly, I don't think I'm ever going to be touching the joystick once again. It just literally steals me of all my driving skills. That is the worst. I am sweating. I am so stressed, yo. Yes, that was how I was sweating like an ice cream on a hot day. So yes, that was the end of the video, guys. So when it comes to the final judgment, if you ask me, in my honest opinion, when it comes to racing games and serious games like this, all day every day I would always go for a steering wheel. But yeah, we can still go and have fun in the old and most traditional way in the every video games, the joystick. So yes, I've always loved these joysticks, but still, a steering wheel is a steering wheel, and that's the best way we can experience the finest details that the game creators have put on. Last but not least, gentlemen, we're doing a fundraiser here at the FLATOUT Media for me to be racing in the 2021 season of the Indian National Rally Championship. So if you want to see me rallying in an actual car through the roads of India, you know how to contribute. I'll put the link down in the description. Contribute what you can and share it with all your friends and family. So that's the end of the video, guys. Appreciate it if you made it to the end. If you like this video, drop me one of these. And if you want to see more of this content, subscribe to the channel and turn the notifications bell on, because obviously YouTube is a numbers game. So yes, once again, if you want to give me any of these challenges, drop it down in the comments. Guys, stay amazing, stay awesome, joystick or steering wheel. Keep the gaming high and fast. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, flat out.
3, 4